Something slips, you miss a routine, you react in a way you promised you wouldn't, you fall back into an old pattern, and almost immediately a familiar thought appears. I need to start over. Here's the truth. You don't need to start over. You need to recalibrate. Welcome to Mindcraft, where psychology meets self-discipline. This is phase 6, the phase about living aligned over time. Not perfectly, not without mistakes, but sustainably. Today, we explore why the urge to start over feels so strong and why it usually makes things worse. The idea of starting over feels relieving. A new plan, a fresh identity, a clean break from failure. But psychologically, clean slates often hide avoidance. They allow the mind to escape discomfort instead of integrating it. Starting over feels hopeful, but it discards progress. When something slips, shame often appears, not loudly, but subtly. Shame doesn't say adjust, it says erase. So the mind wants to reset, to become someone new, to leave the mistake behind. But shame-based resets don't heal misalignment, they repeat it. Alignment is built through continuity, through learning, through correction, through staying present. When you start over, what are you actually leaving behind? Often, it's valuable information. Restarting interrupts learning. Recalibration preserves it. Recalibration is not dramatic, it's subtle, incremental, unimpressive, but it's how stable systems survive. Recalibration asks, what shifted? What support is missing? What needs adjusting? It keeps identity intact while behavior updates. Psychology suggests a grounded process. First, locate the drift. What changed before the slip? Second, restore one anchor. Sleep, movement, or structure, not everything at once. Third, resume without narrative. No speeches, no declarations, just return. Recalibration works because it reduces friction, not because it creates intensity. You don't lose alignment in one moment, and you don't regain it by restarting your life. You regain it by staying connected through adjustment. Alignment lasts when continuity matters more than perfection. If this helped you understand why you don't need to start over, subscribe to Mindcraft. In phase 6, we're learning how alignment is maintained one recalibration at a time.